Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. Wife's trying to get in the frame there. It's been a little while. Ian's been busy. I will tell you about that in one moment. Haven't really been around the garden. It's been horrible weather, and I've got a new project. So I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of the garden. Stuff that's been developing. So I'll spin you around, guys, and we'll show you what's been happening.
Yo, nice. How it? Garlic's up.
Yeah, boy.
Right, well.
As you can see, the garlic we planted maybe 2 weeks ago is all up, guys. Very happy with that. There is signs of the onions all coming up. The giant garlic, still nothing at all. I think I've been sold a dud. Leeks still looking very sorry for themselves. Look at them. Amazing marigolds, that's what they're called. Not much else to report on the garden, but excuse me, the winter brassicas all got nice heads on now, on quite a lot of them. Don't know why, but these cabbages seem smaller to me. We have just harvested some peppers. I'll show you them. Sprouts are starting to look a little bit sorry for themselves now. Not much happening with the collies. Kale, that's getting big now, isn't it? These flowers are starting to die back now. Still got some bee activity though, so they can stay there.
Yeah, them ones are getting flower heads on, huh?
Apple tree. Did have a mark on the cane. Well over 5 foot. Lettuce. Really need to have some of that. We're getting flowers, guys. Don't ask how. But we're getting flowers. And we've even noticed
Oh, yes, there's.
the strawberries are flowering.
Yeah.
Definitely got signs of
Yeah, quite a few.
autumn now. Yeah, look at them flowers, guys.
Oh, there's a strawberry coming through, look.
Mental in almost November.
We're still getting some raspberries.
Yep. Still got fruit on there. Not a lot of flavour to it though, it's very watery.
Still tastes like raspberries, though.
Getting some wonky veg, some parsnips.
Yeah, this one's my favourite. Needs a wee.
Yeah. So they're from here. It's not a very deep bed, so that's why they're just touching bottom and curling up.
Oh, the
Yeah.
leaves are dropping off the.
I gave Feinstein back now. It's going into hibernation. Hopefully next year it's going to give us a really good crop. Greenhouses are pretty much done now. There's just the Cape gooseberries in there.
There's a few on there at harvest.
Grapevine in there. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with yet. I still haven't even done that with that pepper.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh yeah, show me.
We're gonna eat that one.
Yeah, you took the last ones.
I've already had one this morning.
There's all peppers. I'm sure Emma will do something with them.
I'll end up in the freezer. To be fair.
Maybe. And the garlic Jimmy. Still nothing, mate. Nothing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with these. Literally nothing. So the wood pile that we put for donation is gone.
Yep.
I just want to check the water barrel. We've had no sign of Mr. Mole for a little bit. Look at that. That was empty. That's how much rain we've had over the last week. That was empty. So yeah, all the leaves are coming down now. Be a bit of mulch. So yeah guys, that is it. We're going to go down to Gary's plot and we're going to have a look at our seedlings in there and we're going to see what they're like, and then I'm going to head off home because I'm at work soon and I've got a few other jobs to do. Right guys, welcome back. Change of scenery. We're in Gary's plot, Gary's polytunnel. Very nice. It's really nice and warm in here. It's been a fair few days since I've been. And the calabrese we give Gary, looks like it's got a really nice home. It's doing very well. I think he's been harvesting some. Must be for that pot of gravy he keeps talking about. Right, while we here check on our seedlings, see if anything is happening. Not a great deal, to be fair. Elsie, some life out of them, thank goodness. I was a bit worried about them. These are the cauliflowers and the broccoli. And this one, Phil's onions, also coming up. Another show winner. So I'm going to give them a bit of a spray before we leave. Also guys, you might have been wondering where I've been up to, what I've been doing, why I haven't uploaded for a week. I've got a new project. It is a Vespa motorcycle, 1990. So I've made a second channel, my Vespa journey. I'll tag it in this video. I'll put a couple of screenshots on of the bike. It needs full restoration, so that's going to be kind of my winter project. I'm hoping to have it on the road next summer, all done. Needs a lot of work. So at the minute, with the allotment being quiet, that's had me full attention, sort of thing. If you guys would kindly jump over to the My Vespa Journey channel, please give me a subscribe. It is a brand new channel, 0 subscribers. Just give me a subscribe, guys. Help the channel along a little bit. Even if it's not something you're interested in, please help a guy out. So that is us for today, guys. Probably for the week. So I'm going to sign off here. I'm going to go home. I've got work soon, so we shall see you next week, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget, if you're new here, hit that subscribe. Jump onto My Vespa Journey. Please subscribe. And that is it for me. Love you all, guys. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you all next one. Goodbye.